The 6 disconnect rule generally does not apply to busway systems. This is because the busway itself is considered a continuous raceway with multiple disconnect points along its length. Therefore, each section of busway can be disconnected from the power source at any point. It is acceptable to connect directly from the busway to the meter stacks without an intermediate disconnect device. This is permitted by Section 408.22 of the National Electrical Code, which states 408.22a. Meter bus. Meter bus is used for metering electric services shall be equipped with disconnect means in accordance with the following. 1. For service equipment over 1200 amps, the main disconnect shall be provided in or on the supply side of the meter bus. Since the busway is rated at 1600 amps and the meter stacks through bus is rated at 1200 amps, the main disconnect must be located on the supply side of the meter stacks through bus. This can be accomplished by using a disconnect switch or a circuit breaker located in the service entrance switchboard that feeds the busway. Based on the information provided, it is acceptable to connect directly from the 1600 amp busway to the 1200 amp meter stacks without an intermediate disconnect device. The service entrance point is at the switchboard that feeds the busway, and the 6 disconnect rule does not apply to busway systems. However, a main disconnect must be provided in or on the supply side of the meter stacks through bus.